Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi disconnects frequently Windows. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties, click Power Management, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power, click OK. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall. Fourth method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, disable device, and then enable device. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Type ARP -D star. Type NBT stat-saps -R. Type NBT stat-saps -RR. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type ipconfig /register DNS. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.